Today's video topic is dry cough, symptoms, causes, treatment, and home remedies. A dry cough, also known as a non-productive cough, is a common respiratory symptom that can be caused by various factors. It is characterized by a persistent cough without the production of mucus or phlegm. Understanding the symptoms, causes, treatment options, and home remedies for dry cough can help individuals manage their symptoms effectively. In this video, we will explore the symptoms, common causes, available treatments, and home remedies for dry cough. Symptoms of dry cough. A dry cough is typically accompanied by the following symptoms. 1. Persistent coughing without the presence of mucus or phlegm. 2. Tickling or irritation in the throat that triggers the cough reflex. 3. Dry and scratchy throat. 4. Hoarseness or voice changes. 5. Itchy or irritated sensation in the airways. 6. Throat discomfort or soreness. Causes of dry cough. Several factors can contribute to the development of a dry cough, including 1. Viral infections. Common colds, influenza, and respiratory syncytial virus (RSV) infections can cause a dry cough. 2. Allergies. Exposure to allergens such as pollen, dust mites, pet dander, or certain foods can trigger an allergic reaction leading to a dry cough. 3. Environmental irritants. Inhaling irritants like smoke, pollutants, chemicals, or strong odors can irritate the airways and cause a dry cough. 4. Asthma. People with asthma may experience dry cough as a symptom of airway inflammation and bronchial hyperresponsiveness. 5. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. Acid reflux can irritate the throat and trigger a dry cough, especially when lying down or after eating. 6. Medications. Some medications, such as ACE inhibitors used for blood pressure management, can cause a persistent dry cough as a side effect. 7. Postnasal drip. Excess mucus dripping down the back of the throat due to conditions like sinusitis or allergic rhinitis can result in a dry cough. 8. Respiratory tract infections. Conditions like bronchitis or pneumonia can cause a dry cough, particularly in the early stages. Treatment and home remedies. The treatment of a dry cough depends on the underlying cause. Here are some common approaches. 1. Address the underlying cause. If the dry cough is due to an underlying condition, treating that condition may help alleviate the cough. 2. Over-the-counter cough suppressants. Medications containing dextromethorphan can help temporarily suppress a dry cough, but they should be used cautiously and only as directed. 3. Hydration. Drinking plenty of fluids can help soothe the throat and prevent dryness, reducing coughing episodes. 4. Humidification. Using a humidifier or taking steam inhalation can help moisturize the airways and alleviate throat irritation. 5. Gargling with warm salt water. Mixing half a teaspoon of salt in warm water and gargling can provide temporary relief for throat discomfort. 6. Honey. Consuming honey or adding it to warm herbal tea can help soothe the throat and alleviate cough symptoms. Note: do not give honey to children under 1 year of age. 7. Avoiding triggers. Identify and avoid triggers such as smoke, allergens, or irritants that can worsen the cough. 8. Rest and self-care. Getting adequate rest, maintaining good hygiene, and avoiding strenuous activities can support the body's healing process. When to seek medical attention. It is advisable to consult a healthcare professional if 1. The dry cough persists for more than a few weeks or becomes severe. 2. You experience additional concerning symptoms like shortness of breath, chest pain, fever, or weight loss. 3. The cough interferes with sleep, daily activities, or quality of life. A dry cough can be distressing, but understanding its symptoms, causes, and available treatment options can help manage the condition effectively. Identifying and addressing the underlying cause, along with incorporating home remedies and self-care measures, can alleviate the symptoms and promote healing. However, if the dry cough persists or is accompanied by worrisome symptoms, it is important to seek medical attention for a proper diagnosis and appropriate treatment.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.